Welcome to Decobloom. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in a classical French mansion? Today, we're stepping inside one of Paris's most stunning luxury homes to explore breathtaking spaces filled with timeless elegance, exquisite craftsmanship, and that unmistakable French sophistication. From the grand entrance to the intimate wine cellar, prepare to be inspired by centuries of design excellence. Welcome to this magnificent classical French mansion, where luxury begins the moment you step through the doors. The grand entrance foyer sets an elegant tone with pristine marble flooring that reflects the sparkle of an overhead crystal chandelier. Ornate moldings frame the space, while gold leaf accents catch the warm, layered lighting. Every detail speaks to French sophistication and timeless design, inviting you into a world of refined beauty. As we move deeper into the mansion, the formal reception hall showcases the art of French entertaining. An antique gilded console anchors the space, topped with fresh florals that bring life to the room. The oversized mirror multiplies the ambient light, creating an illusion of even greater space. Sage green walls provide a calming backdrop for period artwork, while 3 layers of carefully planned lighting ensure every corner radiates warmth and welcome. The main salon represents the heart of French classical design with its authentic Louis XVI furniture upholstered in champagne silk. Hand-painted wall panels depicting pastoral scenes transport you to the French countryside, while floor-to-ceiling silk draperies frame views of the manicured gardens. The crystal chandelier overhead works harmoniously with table lamps and wall sconces, creating that signature cozy glow that makes French interiors so inviting and timeless. Dining in a French mansion is an experience of pure elegance, as this formal dining room demonstrates. The mahogany table stretches beneath a spectacular Baccarat crystal chandelier, ready to host intimate gatherings or grand celebrations. Rich damask wallpaper and soft gold tones envelopes the space, while fine porcelain collections gleam behind glass cabinet doors. Multiple lighting layers ensure every dinner party glows with sophistication and warmth. Not every meal requires grand formality, and this charming breakfast room proves that French design excels at creating cozy spaces too. Classic toile de Jouy fabric in soft blue and cream covers walls and windows, bringing a touch of countryside charm indoors. The round provincial table with cane-backed chairs invites leisurely morning conversations. Gentle lighting from the small chandelier and sideboard lamp creates the perfect atmosphere for starting your day. Every classical mansion needs a sanctuary for quiet contemplation, and this library delivers that in spades. Floor-to-ceiling mahogany shelves house leather-bound volumes collected over generations, while tufted leather armchairs invite you to settle in with your favorite book. The antique Persian rug adds warmth underfoot, and brass fixtures provide adjustable reading light. This is where knowledge meets comfort in perfect French style. Privacy and luxury combine in this master suite designed for restful retreat. The canopy bed draped in ivory silk becomes the room's centerpiece, dressed in champagne damask bedding that invites relaxation. A French provincial armoire in distressed cream finish provides both storage and visual interest against soft dove-gray walls. Romantic lighting from multiple sources creates the perfect ambience for unwinding after eventful days. French design understands that getting dressed should be a luxurious ritual, not a rushed routine. This dressing room features custom built-in wardrobes in cream lacquer with gold hardware, offering organized storage that's beautiful to behold. The central island displays jewelry like precious art, while a tufted blush ottoman provides comfortable seating. Thoughtful lighting inside wardrobes and around mirrors makes choosing outfits a pleasure. Bathing becomes a spa-like experience in this marble bathroom that epitomizes French luxury. Pristine Carrara marble with delicate gray veining covers walls and floors, creating a serene backdrop for the freestanding clawfoot tub. Gold fixtures add warmth against the cool marble, while a vintage brass mirror reflects the soft glow from the small crystal chandelier. This is self-care elevated to an art form. Hospitality is paramount in French homes, and this guest bedroom ensures visitors feel pampered and welcome. Classic toile patterns in sage green and cream create a cohesive design story across walls and bedding. Antique French furniture painted in distressed white adds character without overwhelming the peaceful space. Soft lighting from the delicate chandelier and porcelain lamps creates a restful atmosphere for overnight guests. Even transitional spaces receive design attention in a proper French mansion. This upper hallway transforms circulation into cultural experience with its carefully curated art collection displayed along cream walls. Each piece receives individual picture, lighting that highlights its beauty while contributing to the overall ambient glow. The antique console and fresh flowers prove that every corner deserves thoughtful decoration. Where architecture meets nature, we find this light-filled conservatory that brings the outdoors in. Large windows frame garden views while potted palms and ferns create an indoor oasis. White wicker furniture with floral cushions provides comfortable seating for morning coffee or afternoon reading. Botanical prints celebrate the natural world, while layered lighting extends the room's usability into evening hours. French culture and wine are inseparable, making this wine cellar an essential space. Exposed stone walls create authentic atmosphere while custom wooden racks cradle vintage bottles like precious treasures. The intimate tasting table invites sampling and conversation about vintages and terroir. Warm lighting from the wrought iron chandelier and strategic accent lights transform storage into an inviting destination. Our tour concludes where interior meets exterior in this enchanting garden terrace room. French doors open to manicured grounds, blurring boundaries between inside and out. Elegant wrought iron furniture with cream cushions provides comfortable outdoor seating, while potted topiaries frame the entrance. As evening approaches, the three-layer lighting transforms the space into a magical setting for alfresco dining or quiet contemplation. What an incredible journey through classical French design. We've explored stunning spaces that showcase the timeless elegance and attention to detail that makes French mansions so captivating. From ornate moldings to crystal chandeliers, every room tells a story of luxury and sophistication. Which space inspired you most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Decobloom for more interior design inspiration from around the world.